Hi, I'm here to tell you about an experiment to determine the heat of formation of magnesium oxide. The method to be used will be calorimetry, and this reaction can't be performed in a calorimeter because it is highly exothermic. Therefore, I perform two other reactions involving measuring the mass of solid magnesium oxide. I react it with a certain volume of hydrochloric acid, and I measure the initial and maximum temperatures in order to record the change in temperature. I do the same thing, another reaction in a calorimeter where I measure the mass of magnesium as well as the volume of hydrochloric acid, and I measure the changes in temperature again. The third reaction I can't perform in a calorimeter because it is also highly exothermic, so we use the table of heat of formation values to locate that value. Once I have the heat released by each reaction, from calculating Q is mc delta T, where m is the mass of the solid as well as the volume of the solution converted to grams using the density of water. Once I have the heat released by each reaction, I can then manipulate the reactions so that when they add up, it equals the overall reaction, which is the heat of formation of magnesium oxide, which we're trying to find. In order to get the heat of formation of magnesium oxide, the first reaction with magnesium oxide and hydrochloric acid needs to be reversed. Once this reaction is reversed, we can add the three equations and add up and get the heat of formation of magnesium oxide. We will also add up the heat of reactions after reversing the heat of reaction for the first one, and that should give us the heat of reaction. But then we need to divide by the moles or grams of magnesium reacted in order to compare it to the tabulated values. Actually, the moles, since magnesium and magnesium oxide is in a 1-to-1 mole ratio. Next, I will show you my experimental setup.